I had a chip in one of my teeth, and being on the front, you really want to take care of that. And I was kind of putting it off, and I met Marianne, a lady that knew Dr. Reece, and he did a beautiful job on her teeth. And she went with me to my doctor's visit, and I met Dr. Reece, and he laid everything out that he could do for me. And he took pictures of my smile, put it up on a big screen, and said, I can do this, I can do this. He gave me different options. He didn't just say, let's do all this work. He left it up to me. I can't imagine a better experience. I don't mind the drive at all. It's well worth it because you know you're in good hands. I have looked at my teeth versus the teeth in magazines, and I've Googled most beautiful teeth. I think my teeth look better. I really do, and I'm happy with them. The shape, everything. I was helping a lady at Sephora. What I said to her was, I told her the doctor's name, and I pulled the business card out of my wallet that I keep, and I told her it was in College Station, it's a bit of a drive, and she goes, I don't care, as long as my teeth look like that. What I would say to someone who compliments me on my teeth, a stranger in the Galleria Mall in Houston or wherever I am, a restaurant, is go to Radiant Dentistry in College Station. You will not be disappointed. He is the best, and I'm very happy with the work he's done on my teeth. And I'm going to tell everybody.